LAML Academy Skardu. Leaders Academy of Modern Languages is always busy to work on learning skill, especially in modern languages. The major focus is to promote language skills because it's a prominence the personality of person. Therefore, the LAML Academy Leaders Academy of Modern Languages is going to start second new session where they have different courses durations. Basic grammar course period for 3 months, advanced grammar course period for 6 months, content writing course for period 9 months. Admissions are on the basis of come first and serve first.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rida and I am student of LAML Academy. In our academy, we are come for improve our language skill. The teacher in our academy are very well qualified and cooperative and very talented. They focus on our 4 skill: reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Daim. I'm student of LAML Academy. I joined this academy to improve my English skills. They focus our 4 skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
Masaif Hussain Niazi, and I am English instructor in this academy, LAML Academy. Over here we offer 3 types of course: basic course, advanced course, and content writing. So course duration is 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months. Over here we will keep less fees concession for all those students who are unable to afford financially. So we will give some scholarships also for the students, and soon we are going to announce some scholarships from over here. So it's my humble request to all those students who are interested, they must participate on that scholarship on the basis of the ability and merit. Thank you so much.
So be the part of Lemanians and develop your English language skills. Venue in front of Ideal Academy near Alandhar Chowk, Skardu. For further query, you may contact 0355 5377 423 0346 95 9109 0344 8848 699.